once.
Okay.
Yeah, should be fine.
What was the date you're on?
I'm going to set it the 9th, January 9th.
January
That's a
9th.
Friday.
Let's see.
You want me to say it's 10 o'clock, January 9th.
Yes, sir, thank you very much.
All right, let's get a good report next time.
Yes, sir, no problem.
Thank you.
Hey, thanks, sir.
Yes, sir. Get you back.
Yes.
Done this once. You put me the Wi-Fi, I'll probably be able to bounce up over there when I need to. Let's see that. Says there's some available. See which one you got? Should be Lawrence Guest.
Yeah. Either the launch guest should be, hey Josh, would you out there take a picture of the wife?
I'll probably need a password.
Yeah, that's what it's gonna be.
I bet the guest will probably won't let you.
It may not. Oh, let me,
Well, we'll see if it's.
if not, I think we'll go to the next time. It's just long.
Adapt and overcome.
Easier. Saying that I was there instead of around him. Saying I was there instead of around Philip. There's things. At the time. Yeah. And then he was outside in the lobby. He went to the bathroom. That, he was outside in the lobby.
There's one for the other one, the Lawrence County right here.
Let's do that one now.
Yeah.
All caps.
Yeah, it looks like it.
Somebody's VIN number.
Let's see if that works.
Survey says. It's like, we're on. Yeah, just gotta mirror that screen probably.
Yeah, I don't know.
I got it.
Got it?
Yeah, I did have it.
Well, let's go back here.
Go back to where you were. Yeah, that's me. I think.
Oh, you
I
close
think
it.
it's me. Maybe it's not.
No, it doesn't look like you.
No, I got Stonehenge.
Now, that is our computer Now, do I need to change source, maybe?
Well, maybe. What's your choices?
That's what I've got. Connect guide,
Is there a,
TV, remote access.
let's try remote access, and I want to see if I can't. All right. Go to TV. I want to see if I can't take over the feed from my computer. So let's see. If I can get a code to come up on there, I can grab it.
I wonder if we're connected to the same internet.
Let me try. Well, that's a good point. If that's the main one that you gave me the password for, then we're good to
That's what we
go.
connect to here, so.
Yeah, if you go to sort, oh, you're right there. On this one over here, you see where it says source?
Okay.
And then you bring that up, and you should be able to pick what your Wi-Fi is. So go back to that menu button. That's Samsung. So if you go to that menu button,
Let's see here.
all right, see that little home button? Go to the
Yep.
left. Good. Keep going. Right there. Yeah. So you should be able to go up into that, and one of those should be your Wi-Fi. You can pick which Wi-Fi you're on.
Connection guide is the only thing I see.
That TV, or the PC one, try it. See how you can go up in the air from it?
Okay.
Doesn't give anything.
Nope.
Try the TV, go up in the air. Go up from it, nothing. Well. There you go.
There is no access. That's where the access is. Yeah. I'll have to connect to that password. Yeah.
Probably just need that one.
Yeah.
I'll need both of them. But those are both 65-inch TVs.
Yes.
They're giving me an option to grab them, so I'm gonna try one of them.
Okay.
All right. Instructions come up on either of them?
No.
It says it's trying to connect, so give it a second. Usually for the Samsungs, when you grab it remotely, there'll be a little box pop up in the top right-hand corner with a code number on it.
And this one didn't connect to the Wi-Fi here.
That's fine. As long as we're on the same Wi-Fi, I should be able to grab
It
it.
didn't connect at all.
It's not connected at all.
Uh-uh.
So it's giving me two TVs. Try the other one.
The screen reader's got to select additional devices.
Hold on, I've got this one.
You got that one?
Yep. See it coming?
Yep, you got it. All right.
There it is. Very good, sir.
In case you need it.
Well, I don't know if I can get it to work the way I want it.
I don't know.
Looks pretty good. cold, you can't see me. All right. Let's look this thing up first. So, Your Honor, I don't think we're on the record, but the reason why we're going through this exercise is because when the case was reset, the day that it was reset, all the interpreters for this county were all already scheduled to be at this conference they had planned for a long time. And from the bench, I don't know if the court was aware of this, but Judge Cummings presided over the last hearing, and it sounded to me at least like this is going to be my last chance. So this is my adapt and overcome idea on how to help Philip Thacker testify today.
Okay. Are you ready to start?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you have any opening statements you want to make?
You want us to go on record?
Yeah, let's go on record.
Go back on record.
This is on Amy Demand, 24-363, 24-525, 526.
Your Honor, on behalf of the state, there are 3 charges, domestic violence and 2 aggravated menacing charges. The court will hear testimony today from Mr. Thacker on 2 of these charges. The domestic violence charge specifically, Mr. Thacker will testify that Amy Dement came to his house. She is his ex-wife, slapped him on the face. We will present to the court evidence that he was injured. On the second charge, we will show that Amy pointed a gun at Mr. Thacker. He slapped it away from her. She threatened to kill him. And on the third charge, Amy and Mr. Nunley pulled Philip's mother over and threatened to shoot her and throw her body in the river. They also fired a round over her head. And she will testify to those facts today, Your Honor, and we'd ask that the court find her guilty of all 3 of those charges. Thank you.
Mr. Moore.
I'll waive opening statement, Judge.
Party first witness. Mr. Ashburn.
Call Mr. Thacker.
Phil Thacker.
Yeah, may I be seated as I...
Sure, okay. I need to administer the oath. Mr. Thacker? Good. Raise your right hand. Your other hand.
Right hand.
There we go. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
He wants to know if I can sign for him to tell him what you're saying.
Counsel?
I'll On behalf of the state, Your Honor, I certainly don't have any objection. His sister can sign for him. That's the way I've communicated with him before. In light of the circumstances, I'd ask for that to be allowed. Everything that he says will be somehow preserved on the screen as well, so we'll ensure that the authenticity of his testimony is preserved.
Judge, I object without a certified American Sign Language interpreter here.
Okay, and I'm gonna continue the case, so they can get one here.
I ask that it be continued, Your Honor. This is completely out of the state's hands. As soon as this case was set for today, we learned that they had all been on conference. I'll represent to the court that they were already scheduled for this at the day that we got this hearing date, and they had been scheduled for it for a long time. We can try one of the 3 trials today, Your Honor, if you'd like.
The one with the victim who is
Correct.
mother.
Yes.
All right, Mr. Morford, I'll give you what's your position on that? Do you want to try them all at the same time, or do you want to go ahead and try the one involving the mother?
No, Judge, let's go ahead and try mother's charge first.
All right,
I think
Mr.
it makes
Thacker,
more
you can
sense.
step down. He can step down. We'll reschedule his for when we can have an official interpreter here that can make a better. So what is her name?
Her name is Bobby Simpkins.
Bobby Simpkins.
Bobby Defendant.
Which case is this, Ron?
This is, I don't know if it's here. CRB 24-525 is this charge.
Ma'am, if you raise your right hand, do you swear that the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
You can have a seat. Mr.
Ma-
Ashworth.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ma'am, my name is Ryan Ashworth. Will you state your name for the record, please?
It's Molly Joe Simpkins.
Mrs. Simpkins, can you tell us, are you related to Philip Thacker?
Yes, it's my son.
Do you know the defendant seated at the opposing counsel table?
Yes.
And who is that?
It was Philip's girlfriend,
Okay, what's her name?
Amy Dement.
And how long have you known her?
About 7 years.
Okay. We're here on a charge that's pending against Ms. Dement from April of 2024 in Windsor Township. On April the 27th of 2024, did you have an opportunity to interact with Amy Dement?
Yes, and John both.
Okay, and tell the court what his name was again?
It's John Nunley.
And who is John Nunley to
That's her
you?
husband.
Is he in the courtroom as well?
Yeah, he's back there.
And tell us for what reason did you interact with Amy Dement and John Nunley on April the 27th of 2024 in Windsor Township in Lawrence County?
I was standing with my niece up on Johnson Lane. I was going home, and he kept flashing his lights off on one. I thought something was wrong with my car, so I pulled over.
So you're driving your car
Yeah.
in Lawrence County, and you encounter Mr. Nunley driving a car as well?
He was driving a truck.
He was driving a truck, and was he behind you?
Yes,
Did he have any passengers in his truck?
yes.
What type of truck was it?
I'm not sure, but I was afraid.
Okay.
I mean, I was nervous.
Did you know that truck belonged to him before you had
Yes.
interaction? Tell us what happened when you interacted with him
I
on this
got
occasion.
out and my phone was dead. I couldn't charge it, and I got out to see what was happening, and she got out and she said, "I want to kill you and rape you and throw you in the river." And he followed me. I mean, he's trying to run me off the road and everything. I just because you don't get along, it's hurting me.
Were you torn up about this?
Yes.
And this has happened a couple times now, I understand.
Stuff's been happening. People's been running me off the road.
And go back to April 27th of 2024. Why did you pull over if you knew it was Amy and John behind you?
Well, I didn't know at the time. And I thought I had a flat tire or something, I didn't know.
They were flashing their lights at you?
Yeah, and, I didn't know, what was happening or going on.
Where were they in relation to you when when Amy made this statement?
I was, going halfway up Greasy Ridge,
Were you outside of your car?
yes,
Was she outside of her car?
yes, and I got back in and left. And
Okay.
they followed me, I couldn't call the cops or nothing,
Did they do anything else that day?
no.
Did you immediately report this to the police?
Yes, as soon as I got to the landlord's house, I called them.
So, to explain to the court, did you go directly home after this happened?
Yes,
Did you go to your landlord's house or your house?
I went to my landlord's house and got the cops, and I told them what's happened to me.
And what, go ahead.
And he said, go ahead and call her, you can stay here, make sure you're safe.
What, did they follow you all the way to that location?
No, just the end of the road,
So they made sure that nobody saw them behind you.
yeah.
Was there anybody with you when this happened?
I don't know, it's all just, it's so scary, I could have lost my life that day.
Did they have guns?
He's got guns under his seat,
Did they show you any type of weapons that day?
no.
Tell us to make absolutely sure what were her words that she spoke to you after you pulled over at their insistence on April 27th of 2024.
I'm gonna rape you, kill you, and I'm gonna throw you in the river.
Did you have a sense that they were serious or were they joking?
No, she turned against me after her and my son broke up, and I didn't understand, I ain't done nothing to her,
You've mentioned a couple other times about being run off the road. Is this by Amy and John as well?
There was a black truck about a week ago running off the 31st Street Bridge. And when I got over, I almost hit another car. The truck driver was pushed me right into traffic, and one of the car that hit me, he said, he tried to kill you. I said, no, he did.
So this incident that you're talking about now, did this happen the night before the prior trial was scheduled to occur in this case?
It was a week ago.
A week ago. When Amy was out of the car, did you have an imminent fear that she was going to hurt you?
I got back in the car and left because I got time that day.
Have you had any interactions with her since then where you discussed with her or she made statements to you about this incident?
Tell her, darling, she told me, she said, you dropped the charges, would you drop the charges on me? I said, no, drop the charges.
No further questions.
Cross-examine, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Simpson, when did this event take place where Amy supposedly made these threats?
I can't hear you.
When did Amy make these threats to kill you and throw you in the river?
It was back in last April. I
What?
don't remember the date.
What time of day, ma'am?
It was 4 o'clock in the evening.
4 o'clock in the evening?
Yeah.
And just out of the clear blue sky, she says, I'm going to take a rifle and shoot you and throw you in the river.
Yeah.
Your son and Mr. Mint are involved in a hotly contested custody case, aren't they?
Yeah. And
Isn't this just an attempt to try to help your son gain an advantage in that custody case?
no, I'm not talking about my son.
Any witnesses to this, ma'am?
No. I wish I'd had my phone charged and I would have taped her. That's what I needed, but I didn't.
Okay. And you said you didn't think she was serious?
Yeah, she would have taken it seriously. I don't understand why she hates me so bad for.
You thought she was serious?
Yes. What's wrong with her and Philip? It's between him, not me. I live a Christian life and I serve God. That's it.
No gun was present, right?
No.
How far away was Amy when she made this alleged threat?
Almost close to me.
I'm sorry?
She was almost close to me.
2 or 3 feet?
For about 3 feet back. They weren't very far.
Did they offer to help you with your car trouble?
No.
But you were able to get in your car and drive away?
Yeah, I got in the car and I drove, and they kept tailgating me, trying to run me off the road.
Well,
It was
I'm
road
sorry about that,
rage.
are they? That's not your allegation against her, is it?
If somebody gets out of the car, they place the light, you wanna know what's happening. You get out, and you see somebody, they get out and say, I wanna kill you, rape you, throw you in the river. It's serious. And then, when I got in and was trying to get home, trying to find somebody to help me, then I couldn't find nobody, and they was trying to run me off the road. This is God's truth, honest truth.
That's all I have, Your Honor.
Are you there?
Did Mr. Nunley have any statements or make any statements to you on this day, ma'am?
No,
Did he get out of the truck too?
no.
When Amy made this statement to you, did she appear to be serious about the things that she was saying to you?
Yeah, she was serious.
And things have happened to you since then that you can't really explain?
I didn't hear you.
You've had incidents before, but you can't tell us for certain it was her. Is that
Yeah.
what your prior testimony was?
Yeah,
Does anybody else want to kill you and throw you in the river?
no.
Okay, no further questions.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
You may sit down, ma'am. Thank you.
The state would call Officer Matthew Chin to the stand. I'm sorry, Your Honor, I'm going stand by, stand by. This is your charge. Just wait, still put the other one. I recall that witness, Your Honor, strike that witness. The state would rest, Your Honor.
All right. Any evidence from the defendant?
Judge, the defendant wishes to take the stand. I've
Okay.
advised her of her constitutional right to stand silent.
All right, Mr. Mann, if you want to testify, you'll have to come up to the witness stand. I'll swear you in. Please raise your right hand. You swear the testimony you're about to give shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
Be seated. Mr. Moore.
Thank you. Would you state your name for the record, please?
It's Amy Nunley.
You've heard,
You were formerly known as the Mann, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
you've heard the testimony from Bobby. Did you threaten to kill her with a rifle?
No,
Did you threaten to throw her into the river?
no.
What happened when you encountered her on the roadway that day?
I never encountered her on that road because I was not near that road. I was at the Chesapeake Flea Market that day. And my mom got it, and my little boy.
Okay, do you remember what you purchased?
I purchased an Xbox for my son and a leather belt.
Was that purchased from Mr. Jeremy Lovejoy?
Yes,
Is he here?
He's here. I'm going to show you what's going to be marked for purposes of identification. Ask you if you can identify that.
being marked as
One.
That's exhibit one. That's exhibit one.
It's been marked as Defendant Exhibit 1 and asked you if you can identify that.
Yeah, it's my Xbox One.
Is that a receipt for the purchase of that?
Yes, it
Does
is.
it have a date on
Yes, it's April 27th, 2024.
it? And where were you at 4 o'clock on that day?
I was at my mom's house.
How do you remember that you were at your mom's house that day?
Because that's where I was staying at. After Philip had me kicked off my own property, so I already had to stay with her.
Do you recall what time you left the flea market?
About 3 o'clock, because me and him like to look around.
And
And
you
then-
went to, did you go straight to your mother's house?
No, we went to a couple yard sales, and then we went back to her place.
Did you see Miss Simpkins along the way, or,
No, I did not.
okay, that's all I have, Your Honor.
Processing.
So ma'am, I understand that you were actually on the road on April the 27th of 2024 as you traveled to and from this sale of an Xbox. Is that your testimony earlier?
Yes,
And you were on the road at a time when you were mad because you'd been kicked out of your house. Is that what I understand?
I wasn't mad.
You weren't mad, and you didn't see Philip on the road and decide to flash your lights at him and pull him over.
No,
You did that, didn't you, ma'am?
no, I did not.
And you had every reason to, because you were trying to win a custody dispute with him, weren't you?
Ask and
No,
answer.
And ma'am, have you ever had any problems in this court before?
no. We had a dog settlement a while back ago with our neighbor's dog, but that's it.
Objection.
So you you testify that your husband was with you when you went to get the Xbox, is that right?
No,
You were by yourself,
I was with my mom and my little boy.
and you had the sense of mind to go back and get a receipt for the purchase of an Xbox so that you could establish an alibi here after you pulled her over and threatened to kill her and throw her in the river, is that right?
No, I purchased a receipt, so I don't get blamed, oh, you took that Xbox from me, that's mine. I have receipts, no, this is my Xbox, here's my proof, I purchased it.
Oh, so that receipt was in the normal course of that person's business, that's the receipt he
Yes.
always gives out?
Yes.
And you just
I
happened to have a
was-
receipt that proved that you weren't where Ms. Sipkin says you were on April the 27th of 2024?
Can you repeat that?
No, I can't. Why would she say that, ma'am? Why would she say
I have no
that?
idea.
You've already testified here that you've had a problem with Philip Thacker. You guys were in a dispute. It's the same reason that your attorney used to try to impeach her. You had dispute with Philip Thacker and his mother on April the 27th of 2024, yes or no?
No.
You didn't have any dispute. Then why is your attorney asking the witness why she was prejudiced?
I have no idea, you have to ask her.
We've asked her, ma'am. She said that you pulled her over and threatened to kill her and throw her in the river.
No, I traveled from the flea market up through Proctorville and through Chesapeake and back home.
So you were in a car, traveling on the road, and you saw her, correct?
No, I did not see her.
Okay, you were at home the whole day, you weren't at work the whole day, you were out running around buying stuff, and you happened to see her.
No, I did not see her anywhere. I also had a protection order not to go near them if I see them. I followed a protection order. If I did see them, I wouldn't go near them, but I did not see them anywhere.
So what's your protection order for?
To stay away from Philip.
Why?
I don't know, because he was abusive to me.
So you've got a protection order on you because he was abusive to you.
Yeah, and then they rejected my protection order, took it from me.
You're not allowed to be around him because you were violent.
He was violent to me.
And so the other court got it wrong?
They took it from me for some reason.
You have a protection order on you to stay away from Philip, correct?
Yeah, but it's voided now.
Excuse me?
It's voided.
At the time, was it voided?
No, but I wasn't near him or his mother.
Really?
Yeah,
Well, then why did they have a protection order in the first place if you weren't threatening to them?
I have no idea.
You don't know? Did you go to the hearing?
No, they just served me a protection order and they gave them one.
So you never contested it? You agreed to it?
What?
Ma'am, you can contest a protection order. Did you contest it or not?
What's that mean?
Ma'am, just admit it. You stopped the car and threatened
What does
her.
contestants mean?
Did you also threaten to kill her before the last time we were set for trial?
No.
Did you run her off the road the last time we were set for trial?
No.
No further questions.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
You may sit down now.
We'll rest.
Any other evidence?
No, Your Honor.
Case will be submitted.
Thank you.
Let's pick a date for the remainder of the trial with Mr. Packer. Do you have any idea when interpreter will be available?
Your Honor, the last time I tried to predict that, it went horribly wrong. I haven't gotten any dates, and I didn't know that I was going to have the opportunity to, so I think what I would like to do is obviously set it for a date, and immediately, when I get a chance next week, confirm or deny that with the interpreter's office and let the court know if it's not going to work.
Okay.
With that being said, Your Honor, it's completely up to Mr. Morford, I think, for the date that he wants to set it for.
So we need to do it before January 12th, as I understand. Mr. Morgan.
Please, Judge.
How about the 29th of December? It's a Monday.
I'm here then, Your Honor.
Mr. Ashford.
I can make that date work, Your Honor, subject obviously to, I don't know what the interpreters are going to be doing, but.
Well, what I would propose, let's just go ahead and mark that date down for a trial at noon that day. And then if that's not, well, maybe we just need to go ahead and set a pretrial so we can discuss some of these issues. How about doing a pretrial, maybe the 8th of December?
The 8th of December
So that's,
is
I'm here then, Your
completely
Honor.
fine, Your Honor.
so that's, wow. So a little over 2 weeks out. Okay, so set a pretrial, want to do that at noon also, or you can appear by teleconference?
That date's wide open, Your Honor, so we can do whatever the court would like.
Okay. Let's set it for noon. That will be set for noon.
Which hearing are we setting for noon, Judge?
Pretrial on December the 8th.
You said, oh, okay.
Then this-
I wrote it down the wrong
It may not
day.
even be necessary if you communicate, if you find out about the interpreter, want to talk about it, and say, well, we don't really even need a pretrial, we can cancel it, but just to have something to shoot for to get that information out,
Okay.
and see if there's a problem. All right, the case involving Bobby Simpkins, which is the 525, I believe, is submitted. Anything else I need to address today?
Not here, Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Have a good weekend.
That's it.